I know you miss me. I know you miss me. Okay, it's been a rough couple weeks. Okay, 2 weeks took like maybe four trades. 1-1 lost three, or 1-2 lost two. Not good. Okay, not good at all. Right? Price would come towards my direction and slam me. Okay, but that's part of trading. Okay, we're not done. We're not finished, and this is just getting started. Okay, so the trade I took today, start this week off with a absolute banger. So yeah, we're back, baby. So let me just mark this out for you. Mark out 9:30, 9:50 as I always do. Y'all know how it be. Y'all been here before. You've seen this before. We're running it just like we used to. So 9:30, spank, spank. A good trade right now. Honestly, this is placement up. I mean, we got low resistance liquidity on ES already here. About to run through it. Ideally, that's a great trade, but not taking that. Already took my trade for the day. Already done for the day. Already out of here. Right. So we had at market open. The only thing I really wanted to see was maybe this 1 hour gap or 1 hour high get manipulated. That's also inside this gap. Maybe just a manipulation up into here, but we didn't get that off open. So honestly, in my opinion, theoretically, if this is to play out as it should, we should then continue lower, right? We should make a new 1 hour low and continue downwards, right? So theoretically, this is also a protected high. So what did I want to see off open? Like I said, I would like for this move up here to push up to here, but we didn't get that, right? On ES, we didn't push up here at all either. But my main objective for today was this weekly gap. We pushed down. We failed to push higher up here. ES, as you can see, took out all-time highs, coming down in this 1 hour gap on the daily. Just failed to take out the push up into here, this range, all the way up to all-time highs. So I'm guessing for the rest of this week, kind of pull back into here, this range, and then hopefully next week get expansions back up to all-time highs. That's kind of the play is what I'm thinking. So I had this objective, this low right here, which is also a daily low. ES was already at these daily lows inside of this gap. But in my opinion, before ES wants to go up, I would like to see at least equilibrium of this. So that was part of my bias for today, right? So ES, I could see it going lower, of course. Same with NQ. We were at open right around 150 points from my target. So on the 5 minute market opens, at market open, let me just show this on just NQ because that's basically all we need to look at here. So market opens, comes down. I don't take market open trades, so fading this completely, not taking this. This would have got stopped out. And then we came up here. If this move here pushed up into this gap and then displaced, I would have been in there, but we didn't get that, right? I didn't get my objective. But so the 5 minute comes up, gets a perfect retracement, theoretically retrace of this trend. Sure, I'll give you that. We push down super hard, right? And we're below this low. And then we get a manipulation of the upside. So I still wanted these lows, still to this moment, wanted these lows. And we got a manipulation to the upside, 1 minute break of structure, and then we got the IFVG to the downside. And this was the entry that I took. As you can see here, that is the trade that I took. We had a pullback on the 5 minute into this range, and we swept out this high specifically is what I wanted to see. And as soon as we swept out this 1 minute high here, we had displacements lower. My opinion, no way we're not going lower. So that was the trade that I ended up taking. What makes this better, so like on this move up here where it was looking like we were going to get stopped out, on ES, we formed equal lows with its London session low here too. So there is just no way we're coming down making equal lows with London low, and then we're coming up and we're not going to take that out. So like if you took longs here off this move up, when NQ was doing the same, moving up right here, like what are you taking this trade off of? Like we did not take out anything significant to then push higher. If we wanted to, what I was seeing once we started pushing up, I was like, yeah, maybe we take this out and then go down. But like overall, we're going to here, and I don't move to break even until my TP. So yeah, guys. So once we pushed up, I was like, well, probably going to get stopped out here. But stop loss was literally right here. Didn't get stopped out, pushed down, got TP1, move stop loss to break even because I wanted price to flush even lower. But this is what we got for now. We're moving sideways now. Probably should have just full closed here, but you know, it was only literally like 1 micro. So I was just holding like a super banger. But yeah, guys, that is the trade I took today. Absolute banger all around. Pretty simple. Not the best delivery overall. I mean, it took a long time, but after, you know, the 5-minute push down like this, we theoretically also filled this 5-minute gap right here, which then we retested as well here. That was a retest of the 5-minute gap. Came up, swept 1-minute highs, had a breakage structure to the upside, which is perfect for manipulation. Resweep, I mean, tapped in this 1-minute gap, and then displaced lower, and then obviously had some random pullback. Didn't make much sense to me, but then we just displaced straight to TP. So beautiful trade. Really liked it. Really enjoyed it. Ideally, off open, I was kind of in between bias. I wanted us to tap into here and then displace. We didn't get that. But after this kind of level of move down, already taking out this low, this pullback, I was like, okay, we're just going to, simple, just order flow type of trade here, come down, get back to equilibrium and discount, get to displacement on the 1 minute, letting me know that we are now changing state of delivery, you know, going to go down to this low, take it out. So yeah, trade played out, absolute dub. Got stopped out break even. We'll probably now flood the face and go hit my second TP that I wanted. But overall play for this week is we're probably going to be playing in this gap. Kind of see how we react out of this for the week. We have this massive gap here on the weekly, so I would like to see us push a little deeper into this for this week and then go higher. But that's kind of the play I have for right now. And this is a trade I took today. Made $1,500 on my live account, and then made a bunch of money on across all my funded accounts. So yeah, guys. Now in a great position. I was close to blowing some accounts because of the past couple weeks, but due to my risk management, did pretty well at preserving those. So we are in a good position now to run up some money. So keep this up, keep going for the rest of this week. Hopefully, as long as opportunities appear and I get quality setups, I'll be entering more trades this week and hopefully catching some dubs. Y'all have a good one. God bless. Keep putting in the work. Keep grinding. Don't ever stop. Don't let no one bring you down, bro. Don't let anyone discourage you. Just keep working. Like, the market's going to beat you up at times. The market's going to put you down at times, but you literally got to show up, do the same thing that you know you do, that you've been doing for a long time. Just keep grinding, keep putting in the work until literally it's nothing. Like, you're 100% confident in yourself, and that's what I am. I am confident in my ability to trade these markets and to consistently make money from these markets, okay? There's going to be times where you're struggling. There's going to be times when you're not making money. There's going to be times when you're going to start questioning everything, bro. Okay, but that's part of the game. That's what it wants to do. It wants to fucking beat your ass. Okay, you have to just push through it and keep working and keep grinding, and the results will come. Okay, you got to see trading on a longer outlook than just a week, than in 2 weeks. Because if I look back on the last 2 weeks, I'd be like, damn, I don't know what I'm doing. You know, taking losses. What? My strategy's not playing out. Maybe I should. Okay, you keep doing that, bro. You're never gonna make money. Trust in yourself. Trust in your strategy. Trust in your discipline. Trust in your edge, and continue to perform no matter what happens. All right. Y'all have a good one. God bless. Good luck.